Pair with the CR210 Remote Control. Pairing allows two devices to communicate with each other. Your clinician may have already paired your remote control with your Kanso. If not, you'll need to pair it the first time you use it. Turn on your remote control. If your remote control is not paired to any processor, it displays dashes and blinks when you press buttons. Turn on your Kanso in order to pair it with your remote control. They must both be awake and on while pairing. Place the Kanso on the back of your remote control. The remote control will show pairing in progress. The remote control then shows successful pairing of either left or right processor. If you have two processors, repeat for your second processor. If your processor is out of range or experiencing interference, the remote control displays dashes.